name is Adnan. I have a Toyota 86 2018 model. So a few weeks ago, my car stereo system stopped working. A couple of months ago, my brother had installed the CLAYTON audio system from CARONIC. Then I did my research online and I heard good reviews about it. So I'm here now and I'm happy with the product. It's an Android system, plug and play. And you can download all the apps you want. There's Google Maps and there's an app store you can download all the apps you need from the store as well. The whole process took around 30 to 45 minutes and I highly recommend to go for them as I'm happy with the product as well. Thank you.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.